Boom. DJ Dread.
John no said the party nice. My friend begged me a light.
That is it.
Alright now.
Banana light.
Dad, me alright now.
Banana light.
Yeah, G.
That a woman I have right now.
Hold on.
Yeah, you have it, you know.
No. Oh, my fine alright.
No, no.
How the lighter gone? Yo, with the lighter gone, Lenny?
In your left pocket.
No, I'm not the lighter in my left pocket.
You have it. You find him up me now.
No,
You find him up me now.
What the fuck they come on here? Nobody make me no light to fi have your own a lighter. Party at me love the vibe.
I never want Kartel to win, not because of vybzkartel. Not that vybzkartel is not talented. Not that vybzkartel isn't one of our biggest DJ. But I never want Kartel win because of Kartel fans them.
So when I see Foota hype say that, let me tell you something. His own mouth betrayed him. Because the fact that he said that is because of his Kartel's fan base, why he's hating him. That is the heights of hate, people. Let me tell you why. Because basically he's saying him don't dislike the music. Him don't dislike the lyrics, right? Which is taste. He's basically saying, I don't like him because of his collective power.
Means that you have this steam fish and okra body.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
DJ Dreadbeard, reasoning different, entertaining, just so different. Big up DJ Dreadbeard, keep up the good work.
Oh my God! Wow! So that was the beautiful and luscious Miss Julia, aka Blue Fire. You know, at the end of the video, yeah, I go send on the link for go over there and subscribe to Miss Julia. But I don't want to go over Miss Julia and subscribe for the wrong reason. She over there a teach her class, and more why she talk about dancehall and things, you see me? So today we are going to feature Miss Julia, you see me? And you know, Foota hype forward out and say what I must say about Gaza nation, and Miss Julia would have give her input, a more diplomatic, a more eloquent, you see me, a more corporate side, and a more subtle, intelligent, intellectual reasoning than where Foota hype would have expect. Than where Foota hype would have expect say him would have get beer, suck your mother, SYM, bad mind, them comments there. No, when I this the Gaza nation, you are very stupid because you don't know who is the Gaza nation. Liar, doctor, you don't know who are those people in the arena. Like everybody in the arena is a Gaza fan. So watch the scenario now. Foota can walk down the street, him see Miss Julia, him admire Miss Julia. Miss Julia just push out her foot and make him trip and drop on his face. And him wonder what just happened. Miss Julia just tell him sorry and continue about her ways. It's a Gaza girl that just make you trip and drop on your face. You see me? You don't know who is who. So it's not that serious, cause if people that take it serious, you couldn't forward out and answer them things, bro. You go a doctor if you go check up on your strokes and somebody give you a bad injection. No, why? Sorry, the doctor not give him the bad injection, but you know what I mean. Your life can be very difficult if it was that serious. If what you say was that serious and people are taking serious.
Like it's not that serious. Trust me, I know.
Like yo, me eat the fan base and because of the fan base, bro, your life would have been much more harder. You see me, your life would get more difficult if the fan base they take you serious. Like you don't forward out and say them something, bro. You don't know who is who. Alright, watch this.
vybzkartel çalacaksın diyor. Damat ve ekibi için vybzkartel.
So me just play that for make you know say Gaza nation do not have a face. Are the same mistakes Sir P make. If you think say Gaza nation are the people them downtown we are selling at the market and over Portmore. Gaza nation is worldwide, so one of them money from over Afghanistan or over the Gaza. One of them money can't even drive your Uber taxi one day. And you don't know how I reach you.
Me bumbo clot.
You diss him artist. Is a Gaza man that you just diss and talk about how you hate them and how them done. And if them a take it serious, you don't know who is who. Next time you jump on a Uber, one of them man you see a party to vybzkartel song I'm wedding at the whole nation. So I hope you understand, and we are gonna make Miss Julia tell you in a more diplomatic way so you can understand. Because sometimes you feel like say I be a man then at the Gaza I defend Vybz Kartel. You don't know say woman I defend Vybz Kartel same way. But I hope you get the drift and I understand the magnitude of what you just do and what you just say, and if people that take you serious or difficult your life could have become. You see me? But yeah, before me gonna further, let me introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. You have tuned in to the baddest reaction channel on YouTube. I'm DJ Dreadbeard, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Me I beg you if you like up the video, and if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And I'm going to shout out DSO8 who forward through with a $2 upon the last video. Remember people, if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And remember, so the dog plate empty, so you can shot me a dog food over the PayPal. The link I got in the description, and I'm going to pin it in the comment. And remember, if you don't know how to send a super thanks, see the diagram up on the screen. And the thanks inside our art, next to the download and the share button and the like button, right there so you find it. Yo, big man thing, how much Royce Vybz Kartel them buy? Because the white one, the way I look upon is a beamer that, you know. So you have the two black one, the blue one there, and the white one where it is somewhere else. For that me count, you know. Yo, it's a different level. Bro, on hear what the man tell you say in a hype life, say it's a jet him a go for next. Say hear how the man keep on a mention jet. Yeah, bro. First people they think of one Royce, then them see 2, 3, then them just some different one just a pop up all over the place, and the man tell you say, yo, all of them things I wanna look upon, I'm son them one. When you see big house, I'm son them. Well, I'm not go back over hype life, but hype life so bad that it look like I want to review it again. You see me? But yeah, a 4 Royce that dog. 2 black one, the blue one, and the white one. That's how we count so far. Me and some people have said a 5. I don't know which part I get the 5th one from. But yo, different levels on Jamaica. Never see this yet. And that's why I have people like foota hype like. But me crack the code over this is real talk. Because them would have call Gaza Nation sheep. Sir P them first attack Gaza Nation. Zine. Then you have foota hype, the twins them, everybody. So them call Gaza Nation sheep, but because Gaza Nation nah act like sheep, that's the problem. Them call Gaza Nation sheep, but Gaza Nation nah act like a sheep. Because you know eat a sheep. Like people love sheep, bro. You see me? What you don't like now is a wolf or a lion or something with savage. People love sheep, man, cause sheep meek and mild. So the reason why you don't love Gaza Nation is because them not act like sheep. You see me? Them a act unruly. Them a act like savages. So you're not gonna like them. Them a diss you. Them a tell about your mother. So me crack the code and know why the 8. I want the 8 to forward from, but me more I go deep in the reasoning over this is real talk. I guess everybody know the format now because we see, and this is real talk, we see it have its own subscriber and its own fan base over there, you see me? So anyway, we are going to hear what Miss Julia say. When we said, probably as man and as vloggers every day, we are say them things, you know where the new thing where them start deflect and say, yo, you know act like you love man. Remember, a man, everybody a reason about, you know. Who a reason and say Sean Paul a king, or who say Shaggy a king. Shaggy a woman. So hold on. Alkaline a woman, Massacre a woman. The man them we a reason about Alkaline and Massacre. And a man them. Hold on, Massacre and Alkaline a woman them. Yo, a music me love and a man me love. When I go on like when I love man. So we are gonna make Miss Julia defend with today. You see me? Cause Miss Julia Gaza she say, you know. So we are gonna make Miss Julia defend way, and I'm going to hear if them are going to ask Miss Julia if a man she love.
Why?
Jono, you have to take bad things make laugh, you know. But this is Miss Julia over the Real Gaza Uncle panel.
I'm going to make Miss Julia say something and then one done.
Hi, good evening.
What go, Miss Julia?
Evening, and first of all, thank you for allowing me to come on your platform and talk.
Yeah, man,
so,
that's cool, man. Go through.
Thank you. So, listen, I saw that foota hype video today, and I was going to do a vlog on it, and I realized that you were talking about it. And Uncle,
no, you need to. We need your person.
But hear the thing now. Hear the thing. But hear the thing, Uncle Gaza Uncle. Sorry, people always think that I'm repeating what you're saying, but we oftentimes are saying the same things, right? So I have my own mind, people. It just
Facts.
so happens that it coincides. Now let me explain this. There's a difference, just what you said, there's a difference between fans and a fan base. And this is why, and I explained it in the last dancehall episode that I did, why it is that Kartel's cultural influence is unmatched, because when the fan base form is when music stops being entertainment and it becomes identity. That is why his fan base, and that is why his core
Repeat that
cultural.
again, please, Mr. Sorry for cut you, but more of the people understand. Repeat that again.
Yeah, I'm gonna go more into it, because these are things that I learned and I see and I experienced as well, right? So it stops being music, stops being entertainment, and it starts being identity. And the fact of the matter is, that's why Sean Paul didn't have that core cultural influence, because a lot of people from dancehall did not and could not identify with him, because the fact of the matter, he didn't come where they come from. He didn't struggle that he struggled through. It's the same thing like what I was teaching last week with the Swifties and with the K-pop fans, BTS Army, because we have to even study this in business, right? Same thing with Lululemon. The Swifties, them have something where it's like my emotions, my heartbreak, my growth, because she was talking about her exes and stuff like that. The K-pop is like they grew up with them, so it's like they protect them. With Kartel, if you really study, is basically, where I came from, what I survived, right? So there's four different, or no, sorry, I think there's five different core mechanics towards the psychology of fan base. The first thing is identity fusion. People see themselves through Kartel. When he came out, I started to see myself through him, because there's a lot to me that a lot of people don't know. Been through a lot of struggles and even now and still able to succeed. So the artist Kartel himself represents a life story, not just songs, right? And so when you criticize Kartel, the people feel like as if it's a criticism of themselves. These are facts. Then there's the parasocial bonding. That's number 2, right? This is where the artist actually speaks directly to us, right? The artist basically gets them fan base more than the people in them own life, right? So is Kartel's music is raw, it's conversational, and it's coded, right? And his fans, like it or not, we feel like insiders, not just consumers of his music, right? Number 3, yes, there is a us versus them dynamics, which is fine, because strong fandoms, them always have a fan of his Kartel's fan base, why he's hating him. That is the heights of hates, people. Let me tell you why. Because basically he's saying him don't dislike the music, him don't dislike the lyrics, right? Which is taste. He's basically saying, I don't like him because of his collective power. I don't like him because of his dominance. I don't like him because of his cultural relevance. I don't like him because of his social validation. That is what he's saying. So this is how I think as well. Always listen to what people say, but listen to what they don't say. When he's telling you that he don't want Kartel to win because of his fan base, right? Kartel's fan base is a fan base that
Here I come. Here I come.
don't fold under criticism, don't need approval, and clearly hasn't weakened over time, right? So basically, he sees us, and I include myself in it because Kartel is my artist, as a status threat. He sees us as a threat towards him. You understand what I'm saying? And the fact of the matter is, Kartel's fan base acts as an armor. We protect the artist, we amplify his success, and help to control the narrative. Right? These are facts. So haters like him, their foota hype, right? He will always try to attack and say, oh, they're crazy, or they're delusional, or they're cultish, right? But you know why? Because they cannot hurt Kartel directly. So I just want you guys to know you're doing a great job.
Yeah, man, me have to just go and show her a picture while she talk, because I want to focus on what she say. You see me? And as I said, don't go over her channel for the wrong reason. I teach, and I be a fox she talk. You see me? But you know, me just cut out some of the best part them. You know, have to go watch the full thing over the Real Gaza Uncle channel. The link there got in the description. Also, if you're new and you don't know who the real Gaza uncle is, I'm gonna drop fair link in the description. So you're gonna see 3 links in the description. You're gonna see the link to my new channel. This is Real Talk. You're gonna see the link to Miss Blue Fire, Mrs. Julia, and you're gonna see the link to the real Gaza uncle. You see me about people, I write us so want anything, you know. She say a lot of things, and when you go over This is Real Talk, that I'm a new channel, you're gonna hear me talk about the reason why them hate the fan base is like them a go after Vybz Kartel, but Vybz Kartel not pay them no mind, but the fan base will pay them man and tell them about them mother. So if you not catch Quaco, we are gonna catch him shot kind of mentalities. So if you don't want to hear more reason on this hate fan base, like why everybody hate the fan base, you can go over. You have 3 options. You see me? So the arrow up into the video. That are for my new channel. Yeah, this is Real Talk, and that are the video where me do about foota hype. So you can continue the reasoning over there, and you don't know how it go. I am DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. May I beg you to like up the video, and if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I am out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.